all manufacturers of fiber ropes polyethylene. If you are a factory based in India or a factory based abroad and exporting your products to India, this video is for you. The Ministry of Textiles has taken a major step to ensure human safety and product quality by making BIS certification mandatory. A new quality control order has been issued for fiber ropes polyethylene under IS 8674/2013, which makes BIS certification mandatory for all manufacturers of fiber ropes polyethylene selling in India. Implementation starts from 1st April 2025 for medium and large enterprises, along with all the foreign manufacturers. For small enterprises, compliance is mandatory by 14th August 2025. For micro enterprises, the date is 1st July 2025. All the manufacturers selling in India must obtain this certification from BIS department before implementation of the due date. If you want to apply for the certification, contact us on details mentioned on the screen so that our experts can guide you through the complete process and make it a cakewalk for you.